So hello everyone, welcome back to Speak with Rik, and today's topic is not a particular topic, and we will talk about our personal journey and what we are learning in journal life and what and how can we learn with the conversation with each other. And if you share your thoughts with me, and if I share your if share my thoughts with you, so we can do converse and with each other, and uh, we can practice easily, and we can more and more practice use of this way, because this is the uh, this is the most important, and this you can say that this is the uh, most important way to communicate with each other and doing more practice. Because if I talk about my journal life, and I am a student, you know very well that I am preparing for government exams, but as well as I want to learn and improve my communication skills. That's why I am practicing with you, and you can also take an action like this, and you can also arrange 1 hour for your learning any skills. No, doesn't matter what type of skills you are learning. If you're interested in communication skills and English speaking, so you can learn with this, because it will help in our future. And if you if I talk about the reality of the world and the reality of the present time, and if you go anywhere, so you will see that most of the people is in conversation in English. And if we go in metro cities areas also, so you will see in metro and any 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 particular area, so you will see that most of the people is talking with in English with each other. And if we don't understand, if we don't know, and how can we learn, and how and what is the meaning of the particular sentence and particular conversation and they are doing, so how can we identify what they are doing, and they are criticizing me or not. Because if we know and what is the meaning, and so we can understand easily. And if we don't know and what they are talking with each other, so we can't understand. So that's why we have to learn these skills, because this is not only for grow your in your future, and this will be helpful in your journal life. Because if you go like see Taj Mahal, if you go to Taj Mahal, and so you will meet with different type of foreigners, and you can share your thoughts, and you can understand their culture. Why and how can you understand? Because if you learn English, and if you are practicing today, if you are practicing today, so you can easily talk with them, and you can understand their culture in their country. So this is the most important communication skills, and you can learn easily. First of all, you have to face some problems like you will feel hesitation, and you will feel that someone is coming, so I should not practice, and I should not English speaking, because he will say that you are on by वो कहते हैं कि लो ये हो रहा भाई अंग्रेज. So we should not stop our learning English, because I am also facing this problem, and because I have been also facing this problem. But after over time, and we can uh, we don't think about that pupil and who will say or not, because we are improving now. If I can speak, so and I will speak with you. And if I can't speak, so how can talk with each other and also share my thoughts with you. So there are so many reasons to learning this language. Because if we go uh, to like in metro city, in if you go to like taking fast food, and so there are so many people and who will and who speaks each other in their language. And if you know to understand getting understand that what they are talking with each other, so you can easily understand. If you why and how can you understand? Because if you know that and how we can improve our communication skills, and because we are also practicing more and more, and we also practice daily, so we can easily understand what they are saying. And if I if I don't practice today, so what and how can I understand what they are talking with each other? So they will if they will abuse you, so you can't also understand because you don't practice today. So that will result that will so negative result in that time. So just I will say that you should keep learning, because I am also a student and I am also learner. So I am also learning, and we can not ignore that and I will do next day and I will do next month. And we have to start today. And if we start, so you should thankful to you, then you are